Shubor naga Snem jong nong san Hima.
Ka Mizoram Meche Insui Kampau MHIP Shillong branch Hagalai Poteri Urisa Arjar Pusan Kala Rakhe Jingdon Bar Pusan Snem Nika Silver Jubilee Jong Gajia Linti Jongka Blalong North Eastern Council Shillong Hagari Asngira Don Ringkat Lang Ubinti Rangba Kajala Mizoram Ulaldu Homa Ubalong Kumukong San Haganika program Ka MLA Ka Mizoram Ka Baril Vane Sanghi Ka Balong Ka Sembut Kongsan Laldown Liani Changte Secretary MHIP Shillong branch na lor kiwe de. La pen ipo ipiang yakani ke program limba ki surjing rai ki jingshat tan rai bat kiwe. U menteri rang ba ka Mizoram ula plipat baru ya umau satnam jong ka jingdap arusan Snem jong ka MHIP. Habekran bat kilat pathai kubor ka Laldown Liani Changte kale thu halor ka jingai linti jong ka kenhuan haki arusan Snem. Ka Jingdon jong ka ne ka MHIP ka long Ïarap ya ki kenthei kna hakabede ban a Ïarap hakaliang ka jing sumar baga Ïarap pisa bat kiwe de ke Ïarap.
Oleh Islam MHIP dan kumsom cuma lola tora siap rendah monumen hi long takin
kan monumen hi satu kan kuat yang zampunan umat
in camera ka in lalik swap to lo wit share lak chwana mun ka pe cheu ga ti chuan la hela hian ko ngai na la ya khan ka lo dinga nga tha kan la ho do nia ka thu chu ni ya lo ma se kan chairman kan kai shoi tu phal na in lakina kan khol lian hi chu mi chwa san mai lo na ma gi chu be ger hian kan thala na het ko ngai takin ku hi lo del be sela a chalo mo kan du to bin ga ringa space kan lo siam de ma he la man ko ngai lo to ula elector kan ala hiya so monya awi don to dil tura ingai ka chu del mai tor hi memory kan siam na zela ni don ani
chief guest in the Silver Jubilee function of MHIP here at Shillong.
So, what are the achievements you recollect?
You see, for the last 25 years, this organization has had a lot of contributions, and they are taking care of the welfare of the needy and the poor. They look after the culture, traditions, customs of the Mizos and all.
So can you tell us some of the highlights you mentioned in the speech, because we cannot understand much since it's resolved.
Well, I didn't make a specific mention about that. Generally, they are protecting our culture, our traditions and customs, and helping other people, like those people, students, poor students, and some people they got sick here, some people died here, and they have to send their corpse home, and they bear the expenditures and all by contribution.
Sir, yesterday also we heard that you have visited Dauki as well.
Yeah.
So can you tell us the purpose of your visit there, sir?
Which one?
Dauki.
Oh yes. We are going to open a similar land port there in Mizoram. So I want to have a personal experience of that.
So how is your experience there?
It's quite good, but due to strained relationship between India and Bangladesh, the trade has subsided in volume, and I hope after the relationship becomes normal, then it will get up again.
Can you tell us one specific issue? Here, Kasi, Jaintia, region, we don't have railway.
Yeah.
But Mizoram now, you got railway. Of course, ILP is also there.
Yeah.
So what will be your message or suggestion so that we here also can have railway?
I can't talk on behalf of the people here.
So there is an objection because we don't have ILP here. Influx is coming. So what is the mechanism?
That could be the reason. It may be quite reasonable also. But there in Mizoram we have ILP system. And we are doing online now. Online system is there. So we have no problem.
So ILP is a prerequisite for railway. Do you believe
Not prerequisite. Anybody outside there who have to come to Mizoram, they have to get permission.
But it has nothing to do with the railway.
No, not with the railway. Either by air or by sea or by road. Whoever comes inside Mizoram, they have to get permission.
And how is it benefiting people, the railway, in Mizoram?
In many ways, things are getting cheaper. Movement becomes easier and shorter. So it helps a lot.
Okay, my name is Dongi. I'm the secretary of this Mizoram Women Federation. So, you want to know what we are?
Achievements
Regarding no, actually, we are NGO, non-government organization. Then our motto is help other people. So, but here in Meghalaya, we cannot do things much. Like we are from headquarters is Mizoram. So, but now we like from Mizoram side, no. When some people need sick people who came from Mizoram to Negrims and other hospital, then we help them like give them some money and all, no, like. Then what is we don't do much like we cannot do much things no here in Meghalaya, but in Mizoram we are a biggest NGO group.
So how do you look back 24 years?
25 years, yeah. Like I don't know what to say much now. Like we didn't do activities though we don't have much activities. Only people like Mizo. We are helping. We are helping children who don't have buying school uniform, books, and admission and all like that. We are helping them. For people who don't have medical bills and all like that, we help. So then among the Mizo who have a family problem like husband and wife, like that also we try our best and we help them also. Like whatever
Many students are coming from Mizoram here, and you are stationed here in Jingdon.
No, we are branch, like branch. Yeah, only
Those
branch.
issues of students, you address students, they come for studies here from Mizoram. Many students come here.
Yeah, lots of students. Yeah.
So you,
No, actually, these students and all, they have their own organization, like MSU and all. Then there's YMA people also. We do actually like children and women.
so when they come for treatment, you, in what way you are helping them?
No, when sometimes they need blood or something like that, and some people they don't have for the what to say, like to stay there in the hospital. No, like sometimes in the women ward you cannot, men cannot stay. For that, we arrange some people like that not to stay with them.
Okay, women's groups play a big role in addressing the issue of drugs and HIV/AIDS. So what role you are playing at least to ensure that people live healthy?
What to say, like the way I say, no, like anybody who need help, if we can give help. So our motto also, I told you, helping other people.